Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
I will explain why clearing the Excel cache matters and when to act. Stale data in cache causes wrong query results and broken links. Temporary files and cached thumbnails can slow opening and saving. Excel versions like Excel 2016 and Office 365 both use local caches. Caches include temporary workbook files, query cache, and pivot table cache that persist between sessions. Clearing cache can free space, restore correct calculations, and resolve update conflicts quickly and reliably for daily work. First, close all Excel instances to avoid file locks and errors. Open File Explorer and type %temp% in the address bar, then press Enter. Delete files that start with tilde or begin with $ and any Excel auto-recover files. Next, navigate to C, /users /your user /app data /local /Microsoft /Office /unsaved files and delete unsaved workbook files. Empty the recycle bin to free disk space. Finally, restart Excel and confirm workbooks open correctly, and that performance improved after cleanup. Clear Power Query cache by opening Excel and selecting Data, then Get Data. Choose Query Options, then Global/Data Load, and click Clear Cache. To clear Office document, cache open the Office Upload Center or use Office settings to delete cached files. For persistent cache issues, remove the folder %local app data %Microsoft /Office /16, 0 /Office file cache, and any Office file cache subfolders. Restart your computer after deletions. Reopen Excel and refresh queries to rebuild a clean cache and verify save.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.